Well, tá féile ealaíonn na Galway tosnú inniu, agus is anóir mór agin go bhfuil ealaíontóir cáiliúil agus ó tábhachtach ar fud na domhanda Ana Maria Pacheco anseo.
So the title is called The Longest Journey. In fact, I always love literature, so I do what is not so common today, but I always refer as a starting point. So this came from a poem of D.H. Lawrence, The Ship of Death. However, the poem is full of hope at the end. It's a kind of a journey of transformation. So I had in mind to do a boat with figures. So this came around the time, and I was doing some prints about the subject. So I decided to find, because this is a real boat from Norfolk. I used to live there, and I found this boat in a yard for the Broad. So that is a very flat boat, but it's a rather beautiful boat. So I had to refurbish it to make a new floor, because they are very heavy. So this is the theme of the work, is about the journey of life. That is the basic idea.